ng langit at ang mundo ng tao sa labas ay hindi din nagagalawin kung wala rin gagalaw sa kanila. Delikado tayong lahat.
May iba pa bang babangga?
Just like that.
Sitting at home talking to him on the phone, and he a clone without no style of his own. You wishing that you was gone, throwing back the patrol. You ain't wrong because you'd rather be with me in the zone. Let's go.
And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Start twerking like Miley. Go. Twerking like Miley.
Ruby! Paminawas ako!
Paminaon! No need na! Dili na kailangan mag-explain, baka kinakita na na ako! Okay ko, babay? Nahibaw ko ba nga na girlfriend ito, ha?
Sorry, wala gid ko idea nga na di siya uyab. Wala man siya nagsulti na ako.
Ah! Sa sunod, ila-ilaha sa ang tao nga imong hatagan sa imong lawas! Oh my God!
Back to back up in the mix like that. And I know you like it when it's just like that. Harder girlies just love my swag. From my kicks to the way I fix my hat. I'm back, fresh like some new J's. Brody got next, NBA 2K, I'm 2K. Shaded with some ladies, reppin' my city. What's LA, bro?
Sino ka?
ako ang Diyos mo. Who's next?